मैं दोबारा से आपको याद करवाना चाहूंगा कि आप बधाई के पात्र हैं कि आप इतनी मेहनत करके इस स्तर तक पहुंच चुके हैं कि आप आज की डेट में कुछ इंग्लिश बोलने लग गए। यार मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि थोड़ी सी मेहनत के साथ आप और इंग्लिश भी बोल पाएंगे। नाउ लेट अस टेक द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, सिचुएशनल कन्वर्सेशनल एक्सरसाइज एट द रेस्टोरेंट। Waiter, welcome to Lakshmi Hotel. If you don't mind, may I know whether you have got reservation? Customer, yeah, we have got. Waiter, sir, how many persons would like to join your party? Customer, there are 30 people. Waiter, may I have order please? Customer, I would like to order special thali with all dessert. After some time, waiter, here is your order, sir. Customer, wow, your service is very fast. I really appreciate. After serving the food, waiter, how is the meal, sir? Customer, fantastic ever, very nice preparation. After taking meal, waiter says, would you like to take some coffee or anything else? Customer, we all prefer coffee after lunch, won't we? Friends in chorus, yeah. After coffee, customer, bring the bill please. Waiter, yes, here it is. Customer, thank you. Situational conversational exercise about dog. Discussion about dog between Satnam and Simran. Satnam, where is your dog? It is seen nowhere for some days. Simran, it is dead before few days. Satnam, very sorry. How it died? Simran, it died after completion of its age. It was an old dog. It was with us for last many years. Satnam, okay, very sorry. Situational conversational exercise at the shoe shop. Salesman, good morning, how may I assist you? Customer, yes, I am looking for shoes. Salesman, what size do you want to take? Customer, it is 12 number. Salesman, what color do you prefer? Customer, I would prefer the bright combination of blue and orange. After taking the shoes, customer, these are small in the size. Show me little bigger pair. Salesman, okay, I provide little bigger pair. Customer, what is the price for it? Salesman, they are 1500 only. Customer, okay, take this pair. I really like it. Salesman, okay sir.